Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now guys, I am in my bedroom and I decided get up today and decided to clean this bedroom guys because it needed cleaning. And finally I'm putting on my new sheets. Yay! Hope everybody is having a good start this new year guys. Hope you're staying blessed and love. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so my room is clean. Yes, it's clean. And I know guys know my room and my sheets that you saw on the bed before I placed this one on was not on dirty. I washed and so in between Christmas and so and change the sheet, and the thing is I just didn't get to put on my new sheet and so forth until now. I just washed and replaced the sheet and that was done. I cleaned my room, and as you know the bed wasn't over this side, so that will tell you that I did clean my room for the holidays but just didn't change the sheet and so forth because I wanted to film all of this part and all of that. So I did switch around my bed and I just replaced the sheet, wash it and replaced it. That is why I just took off. And finally I put on my new sheet and my new quilt. Guys, these quilts just keep you so warm. My new quilt there and so forth. And also I didn't have down the mat. I finally placed on the mat and I put the TV over that side. The bed was over there and the TV was over here. So I kind of like this angle better guys, because during the day when you're home the sun does be hitting in the windows and so forth, and it's take a while to go from this side. And no girl, I want to keep my curtain shut all the time, so hence me switching it up this way. Probably later up I might switch it back, I don't know. And if I want to mount the TV, the hose is already over on this side. So I need to show if I can decide to still mount it or anything. So I might just get a proper stand that I can bring it a little higher. I don't really like to see TV mount on the wall either way, so I can see how that goes. But guys, yes, my room is finally clean, like how I wanted it for the holidays guys. And yes, I use back this mat in here as I have the curtain inside of here guys. When I catch up my hand I will get some different curtains in here and a different rug, but for now look at it guys, it's so simple and so clean. It's all clean guys. I went ahead and cleaned because the phone needed a little bit charging, so that's what I did. I went ahead and cleaned it, finished cleaning. So the only part you see me do was make the bed, but I end up cleaning the floor and cleaning everything, packing up my stand a little bit there guys. And yes, my shoes and everything is underneath there, and I yet have to find a place for these bathroom mats and so guys, but in time everything will come together. Everything will come together. So, and this is me. Alright guys, so I can finish cleaning and so, but I'm gonna put the phone for charge while I go downstairs and put some softener in the clothes. Alright guys, so I'm back upstairs and I'm tackling this bathroom, and yes guys, I am still in my night clothes. Now guys, when I have to clean, I get up and I does clean in my clothes. If I had on a nighty dress instead, I would have changed it and put on something else. But guys, for the most part, when I'm in my nightgown like this, pajamas I have on here, I don't change it, because to me is decent enough and your girl in bathing to come back to clean and get all messy again and all that. On my videos, guys, I keep it real and realistic. So if you're one of them mamas that just get up and doll up when you come in to do your stuff, well, that's you. But for me, I don't. I do the dolling up after, guys. All right, so enjoy. All right, mama, so let's take an overview of what we did. Yes, look at this. It's all clean. Look at my bathroom. So clean. Now, guys, I love simplicity. I love simple. I hate, guys, my space to be cluttered with a lot of decoration and all of this. When you look around, you have all this to dust down, to clean down, to... I can't deal with all of that, guys. I love simple but still cute. That is me. So guys, you will not see a lot of decoration in my house or anything, so you will just see everything just simple but cute. So as you can see, my bathroom is all done clean, guys. I love a clean space. Now for the stain that it's on that tiles, guys, that's how we moved in with it being there. If you know, guys, of anything that I can use to get out that stain, please comment it down below. Help out a mama, okay? Now, guys, I hope this video was motivating enough for you to get up in your space and to also clean it, guys. Now, guys, if you have a bigger space than I do, you don't have to tackle everything at once. You can schedule rooms daily so that you can maintain a clean house. Also, if you have your kids and so forth, like how I have my kids, you take turn and clean different parts of your home. Today my daughter had the bathroom, but because I was home and I wanted to clean the whole house, I did the bathroom, so she would tackle something else another day instead of the bathroom. So things like that we do, guys. We break down the different parts of the house and we tackle it. So every week somebody else has something different. During the week we don't clean like clean, guys. We just do like a spot cleaning during the week because we are all adults and we are working, guys. We leave the home by 5 o'clock in the morning. Me and my other daughter that does here, we leave home by 5 o'clock in the morning. My other daughter, she works in the office. She leave home by 7. And guys, the house don't see us again until night. So by the time we come in on the night, guys, there isn't really anything to do more than if we have dishes in the sink, we will wash those and then we will tidy up ourselves and we head to bed, and whatever, if we use something to eat in the night, we wash it and so forth. So the house is mainly clean throughout the week, guys. So it's just once a week I just really go through and do like what I did today. So I know this video was really sped up, guys, but I really wanted to do a cleaning video with you guys. So yeah, and this day was Monday, guys, so I really do hope you enjoy. And guys, yes, I will see you in the next one.
The next day.
Alright, guys, so this is the next day. I have a 2 client day today, and this is 5. Matter of fact, this time is now around 6 o'clock. I arrived at the salon. I already prepped half of the hair, so this is just the other bundle that I'm finished prepping here and this day. And here is I am making myself some coffee. I normally make coffee from in the salon, guys, on the day that I need it. And I went downstairs this day and actually got breakfast. Normally if I buy breakfast, this is what I would buy: scrambled egg and plantain, guys. That's it. So as you can see, the time up there is now minutes to 7, and my first client is actually at 7. So I'm going to have my breakfast, guys, and then listen to some podcasts until she gets here.